Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very simple and easy conceptual topic which is the energy consumption. All biological organisms like the flowering plants and honeybee you see here are interrelated through the resources they exchange during their life cycle. These resources include carbon, oxygen and organic molecule. All of these fuel the production of the energy molecule required for many essential biochemical pathways that powers the biological growth and development. Here we will explore how these life cycles are connected. Plant uses sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to produce sugar and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere while the sugar is used by the plant to make ATP. When the animal consume a plant, sugar from the plant and oxygen from the air are converted to carbon dioxide and water. During this conversion, ATP is made. ATP, as we know, is a critical energy molecule for both plants and animals. It drives many chemical reactions with all organisms. Within all organisms, the carbon dioxide that animal produce during aerobic respiration can then be used by the plant during photosynthesis to make more sugar. Let's take a look at this more specifically. In photosynthesis, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are used by the plant in the light and the dark reaction to make oxygen and sugar. During the light reaction, the sunlight and the water are used to make the molecular oxygen, ATP and NADPH. The oxygen is a component of air animal they can breathe. ATP and NADH are the important energy molecule. During the dark reaction, the ATP and NADH made in the light reaction are used to fix carbon dioxide into sugar. The overall equation that represents the photosynthesis process is the carbon dioxide plus water, which gives simple sugar such as glucose 6-phosphate plus oxygen. The water molecules seen in this equation are consumed in the light reaction to yield oxygen. The carbon dioxide molecules are used in the dark reaction to yield sugar. Importantly, during the light reaction, the light energy from the sun is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADH. Equally important, the dark reaction incorporates carbon into organic molecules such as sugar. The sugar and the oxygen molecule that the plant produces during these reactions are available to the plants and animals. Alike from the energy production, however, animals are equally important in this relationship. Plant material consumed by animal is converted into sugar, fat, and amino acid. This conversion results through a process called as aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration involves several stages that result in ATP production. The general equation for aerobic respiration is sugar plus oxygen, which give carbon dioxide, water, ATP. The glycolysis is the first step of aerobic respiration. During glycolysis, sugar are broken down and the ATP and the pyruvates are produced. Glycolysis also generates critical electron carriers. Pyruvate is then modified during pyruvate oxidation and the citric acid cycle to generate carbon dioxide. During these steps, more electron carriers and the ATP are produced. The electron from these carriers are passes through a series of complexes known as the electron transport chain. During the final step of electron transport, oxygen accepts the electron and the proton to make water. A proton gradient is generated during the electron transfer and water production. This gradient drives the production of additional ATP. The carbon dioxide that plant use to make sugar during photosynthesis comes from sugar breakdown during aerobic respiration. The ATP generated through aerobic respiration is essential for many of the biological reactions in cell. This general overview of the important connection between the plants and the animal world shows that biochemical reactions are the part of interrelated series of events and crucial to the successful or the success of life on earth. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching.